Unboxing a citrus blossom beauty product might feel like a treat, but that delightful fragrance could be masking serious risks. Many dismiss synthetic fragrances as harmless, yet they may be sending your body urgent stress signals you're unaware of. Think back to the last time a product you loved caused a headache or left your skin irritated. These seemingly innocent scents can conceal real dangers beneath their surface. Have you ever considered what those complex chemical formulas actually contain? Most people skim the ingredient list trusting that everything is safe. However, lurking behind that citrusy allure could be phthalates or paraben chemicals known to disrupt hormones and jeopardize your health. It's not just about smelling good, it's about feeling good too. Yet many continue using these products oblivious to the potential consequences. Reflect on a time when a beloved product suddenly felt off. Did it irritate your skin or leave you feeling anxious? Those signals are your body trying to warn you. Are you listening? What if I told you there are safer alternatives? You can still enjoy the lovely aroma of citrus blossoms without the hidden dangers. More brands are emerging with natural ingredients free from synthetic fragrances, offering healthier options for your beauty routine. As you reconsider your choices, keep in mind the charm of a fragrance can be deceptive. It's not just about the scent, it's about your health. Next time you reach for that citrus blossom product, your body will appreciate it. Remember, beauty shall come at a cost. Choose wisely and make your routine genuinely safe. Have you ever caught a whiff of citrus blossoms and felt your mood instantly lift? It's delightful, but what if that lovely scent is hiding something harmful? Many beauty products that promise a refreshing burst of citrus contain synthetic fragrances that can be more harmful than you realize. Most people don't check the labels, but what if they're misleading you? You trust brands to provide safe beauty solutions, yet many conceal harmful chemicals behind that enticing citrus aroma. The truth is, the dangers of synthetic fragrances in citrus blossom products could be lurking in your vanity right now. Imagine this: you're getting ready for an important day, applying your favorite citrus-scented lotion and feeling fresh. But as the day goes on, you start to notice something troubling: a persistent headache or unexplained skin irritation. This could be your body signaling for help, reacting to fragrance compounds that your mind might not even register. Fragrances linked to allergies, hormonal disruptions, and respiratory issues are often listed under vague terms, leaving you unaware of what you're really using. Consider a friend who swears by a citrus-scented shampoo. They love the smell, but they might not realize that each wash exposes them to harmful synthetic additives, leading to unwanted side effects. These additives can accumulate in the body and potentially lead to long-term health issues. The allure of that citrus blossom can come with a cost that many don't want to pay until it's too late. So how can we protect ourselves? It starts with awareness. Reading labels means more than just glancing at the front. It involves digging deep into the ingredients list. Look for terms like fragrance or parfum. These can be red flags. Choosing brands that prioritize transparency can make a significant difference. Opt for products that use natural essential oils instead. Your skin will thank you, and you can still enjoy that lovely citrus scent without the hidden dangers. Before you grab your next beauty product, take a moment to consider the potential risks. It's not just about enjoying a pleasant scent, it's about your well-being. The next time you breathe in that citrus blossom, think twice. What feels refreshing could also be dangerous. Remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed, you can make choices that protect both yourself. So the next time someone offers you that bright, tempting product, ask yourself, is it really worth the risk? Imagine applying a fragrant citrus blossom cream to your skin thinking you're treating yourself. But what if I told you that hidden within that sweet scent could be dangers you never anticipated? Many people are blissfully unaware of the unsettling truths lurking in their favorite beauty products. You might believe you are choosing freshness and vitality, but the reality is more complicated. What if those synthetic fragrances are causing more harm than good? Let's take a closer look at the ingredient list. Those charming names like citrus, zest, or blossom breeze may sound delightful. Surprised? You're not alone. Picture this: you're getting ready for a big event, applying your go-to citrus-scented lotion, and hours later, your skin starts to itch. What felt like a luxury now feels like a regret. This is just bad luck. Many people overlook that synthetic fragrances can contain dozens of undisclosed chemicals, some of which are known irritants or allergens, while others have effects still being studied. Can you see the potential issue here? Even products labeled natural can harbor these hidden dangers. You might think you're making a safer choice, but the reality is often less clear-cut. The allure of citrus blossoms may come with unexpected costs. Think about it: you're applying this to your skin daily, absorbing those chemicals into your bloodstream. What could that mean for your long-term health? That elegant scent might be hiding something concerning. But don't lose hope just yet. You can enjoy that citrus freshness without the risks. Look for brands that are transparent about their ingredients and choose natural essential oils instead of synthetic fragrances. It's possible to savor that invigorating citrus experience without compromising your skin's health. As you explore beauty products, remember to question what's really in those jars and bottles. Awareness is your first step toward making better choices.